You guys, look. I have Mo and Junie behind me now. Look at your bubbles. Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. Okay, today's video, I don't know why I'm whispering, is gonna be a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing my makeup good by any means. Today, we are going to be intentionally doing our makeup bad. My makeup bad I'm going to be doing to see what my boyfriend says. Riley says. This is a trend that is going around currently. I feel like it's about to blow up. Like maybe doing my makeup bad to see what my mom says, what my dad says, what my brother or sister says, what my boyfriend says, what my husband says. Like I feel like this is about to blow up and I really want to get on it because I feel like lately I've really just been wanting to have fun on my channel. You know what I mean? Like not that makeup isn't fun because makeup is my life, but I feel like there's just been a lot of negativity, like what else is new? Negativity in the beauty world, woo! So I really just want to do this. I just want to F around and have fun. I'm not even going to try to do good. I might not even put foundation on. Like I might just I really want to do this to just mess around with Riley. So I'm going to use this brow pencil. I don't even know what it is, but it broke. You know what? I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go all crazy. I need a pomade. I'm gonna pomade my brows. Okay, we got a little Lilly Cosmetics brow pomade here. And I do have a little bit of product in my brows, just a little bit of eyeshadow. I wanna do but I also don't want it to be obvious. Like I don't want him to be like, oh, she's doing this on purpose. You know what I mean? Like I might be like, hey, so this is like the new sparse brow look. Like something crazy. And I think what I want to do is just kind of go in and record on my iPhone. Like maybe just have it at my hip or my side and just be like, what do you think of my makeup, honey? I did an abstract look. Now he has said to me before that he does like me with way more natural brows. I'm gonna be like, I did the more natural brow for you. And he's gonna be like, what? I also have a friend of mine coming over, so I need to finish this before she gets here. I need this to look more real. Like that he's gonna be like, oh, what the shit? Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Like I'll be like, look, I feathered it. Okay, I don't really want to waste foundation. Like I don't want to waste it. But I think I might do a little bit of the Tarte Concealer. What shade is this? Medium golden. Yeah, that's a good shade. I'm just gonna do 2 pumps and apply it to my face. We ain't even gonna mess around with primer. We ain't even gonna really do much of anything here. Just gonna kind of get this as a little base going. This isn't even gonna be full coverage or anything like that. Watch, there's gonna be someone in the comments that's like, this is the best her brows have ever looked. Thanks. Thanks for that, okay? You know who I really want to do this is Jenna Marbles. Everybody go tag Jenna to do this because I feel like her and Julian would be so funny. Only I feel like Julian, would he know that she was trying to prank him? Oh, why am I so invested in this? I'm like, would he know? I'm just gonna quickly set my face. I'm not even gonna mess around with concealer. Since this isn't a serious thing, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna set it and forget it. My manager's name or my agent's name is Melissa. And what I said to Riley when I was going in here, I was like, hey Riley, I'm gonna go into my beauty room because Melissa wants me to check if I have a product for a video. Just kind of something really believable. And so I think I might go inside and be like, hey Riley, so Melissa really wanted me to try this abstract look. What do you think? I did it really quick. My friend is on her way, so I gotta get going. I'm gonna just do okay, so I have this here. Wait, no, I need to do something more crazy. Yeah, so I'm gonna just take this blue glitter and go like this and just kind of have it on my eye and be like, what do you think about this? This is the new trend, honey. Because I always around with him and I'm always like, oh yeah, this is the trend. Oh my God, yes. I don't want it to look good. I don't want it to look good, so I'm not gonna go crazy. I'll just clean up the edges. And then what I think I wanna do is do some type of really crazy ass liner. Very thick and shit, that kind of looks good. What the hell? And then I'll do that underneath. A graphic liner situation. Be like, babe, look what I did. I did some graphic liner. I'm gonna be so good at pretending. I think he's gonna know I gotta clean up that wing. Yeah, I think that looks good. Cause I'll be like, what? I did a wing and a wing. I'm gonna do like a shit ton of blush. Like so much blush that he's gonna get uncomfortable for. I'm gonna blend that in. And then I'm actually gonna blend this in with the foundation brush. This is a Pat McGrath foundation brush I'm using, by the way. I probably should have used a cheaper one, like a Morphe one. This I feel like he'll believe, like, cause he knows I like my rosy cheeks, so I feel like he'll be like, oh, okay, like, I'm gonna draw my lips like hella big. Hella big. So that he's like, what? Why am I having so much fun doing this? Okay, I'm gonna use this Shayla X Colourpop Satin Lip in Speed Up. I think he'll believe this. I'll be like, I wish my lips were this big. Like, I already know what to say. I can't laugh. Shit, I cannot laugh. You cannot laugh. You cannot laugh. Put a little mascara on. You know what? I'm gonna get some mascara on my lower lash on purpose and just be like, babe, this brand wanted a quick smoky eye. What do you think? I can't even take myself seriously. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take like something that I would never do. Is I'm gonna take like a shimmery shade in the crease. Not that there's any rules to makeup, but this is just something that I wouldn't do. Oh shit, I think I may have had an allergic reaction to something actually. I tried out some new skincare yesterday and I have a bunch of like allergy bumps. That's cute. And then I need to add like a bunch of highlighter. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take that bronze Milani highlighter and it's a little bit too dark for me right now, but I'm gonna use it like this. Yeah, see, it's like a bit too dark. I mean, I could definitely pull it off if I wanted. I think we're like almost ready. I don't want to put lashes on because I don't want to ruin any lashes. I'll do faux freckles. He's totally gonna be like, are you kidding? And I'm gonna go over it with the foundation brush to kind of mute it. Okay, I think we're ready. I'm gonna go inside and film on my iPhone. Pull your shit together, Nicole. You already got the giggles. Dude, I already feel the giggles. So I just found out that Manny is actually heading to my house right now too, so I have to be very quick with this. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around and probably have you guys looking normal because I feel like he'll know. He watches. He's very aware of like body language. Hi, June. Riles, what are you doing? Can you look at something really quick if I come to you? Okay, so I did like a quick little makeup look and I just wanted your like opinion on it. Are the faux freckles too much, you think? Yeah? Is the lipstick okay or?
I think it's too much.
You think it's too much?
Yeah.
What else?
I don't like blue.
So you're telling me you don't like it? I wanted like a quick little look, like a quick freckle.
Who's that?
Fenty.
For what?
Melissa was telling me that she might be able to get me some more like brand deals. So she was just saying, can you do like a quick little freckle look? You really don't like it? What? You really don't like it?
I don't like it.
No. What's wrong with it? Would you feel weird if we were out in public like this?
I think it looks weird.
He thinks it looks weird. He passed. Did you know?
Yeah, it's definitely weird.
Wait, no, babe. This is a prank. You got pranked. You got pranked, bitch.
I was trying to be nice about. Yeah, Rihanna doesn't know what she's talking about.
No, there's a trend going on doing my makeup bad and seeing how my boyfriend reacts to it, so.
Do you have my makeup like a clown?
Yeah, pretty much.
No.
And you passed the test, honey. You were so sweet. You were nervous. Look at you're all red.
Me and Mo are gonna hang out now and laugh at your face. Looks like shit.
I'm so happy he told me the truth. He was so polite. I could tell he was so uncomfortable. That's why I was kind of like, oh, let me end this quick for him. I'm so happy he passed. You guys, if he would have let me go out like this, dude, He was he was a little bit embarrassed. I can delete the video. I don't ever have to upload it. Like, nobody has to know. And he was like, no, you can upload it. I just didn't want to hurt your feelings. And I was like, I love him. Oh, man. But yeah, you guys, I gotta get this shit off. And I'm a little bit concerned that I have this reaction over here. I might put a little Benadryl. Wow. Damn, something I used. Maybe it was one of the Lush products I used yesterday in Skincare Sunday. Because that was a new face mask I used. And it had papaya in it. So maybe like my skin doesn't like papaya. I better update you guys on my Skincare Sunday. I'm gonna go comment right now and say that something that I used gave me a little ranch. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I normally don't ever like prank Riley, and I will never do that to him again because he felt so uncomfortable. He's such a cutie. Thank you guys so much for watching. That was really cute and fun to do and different and made me excited. And now I know I got a man that will always tell me the truth. Not that like I've ever doubted that, but I love you guys so much. Perfect timing. My friend just got here. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And also, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Okay, love you guys. Bye.